Hello everyone, we are the PhD scholars of Department of Applied Economics and we all are present here to discuss on the topic Planning Commission. प्लानिंग कमीशन नेहरू जी की सोच थी। कांग्रेस कमेटी की रिकमेंडेशन पर प्लानिंग कमीशन बनाई गई। जब भारत अंग्रेजों के अधीन था 1938 के समय प्लानिंग लाने की कोशिश की गई। इनफैक्ट नेशनल प्लानिंग कमेटी भी बनाई गई जब सुभाष चंद्र बोस जी कांग्रेस के अध्यक्ष और नेहरू जी नेशनल प्लानिंग कमेटी के अध्यक्ष थे। लेकिन वर्ल्ड वॉर 2 की वजह से प्लानिंग कमीशन अच्छे से काम नहीं कर पाई। स्वतंत्रता प्राप्ति के तुरंत बाद ही प्लानिंग कमीशन बनाया गया। उस समय जो देश के लीडर थे वो समाजवादी विचारधारा पर चलते थे, जो कि सोशलिस्ट पैटर्न ऑफ इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट पर भरोसा रखते थे, जिसमें कि रिसोर्सेज को इक्वल लेवल में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया जाएगा अमंग द नेशन। प्लानिंग कमीशन वाज इस्टेब्लिश्ड ऑन 15 मार्च 1950। प्राइम मिनिस्टर विल बी द एक्स ऑफिशियो चेयरमैन ऑफ द प्लानिंग कमीशन। प्लानिंग कमीशन एक एक्स्ट्रा कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल और नॉन स्टैट्यूटरी बॉडी थी। प्लानिंग कमीशन गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया की एक एडवाइजरी बॉडी थी। प्लानिंग कमीशन एक ऑटोनॉमस बॉडी थी जो इंपॉर्टेंट इशू पर गवर्नमेंट के सामने अपना व्यू रखती थी। देखिए, प्लानिंग कमीशन का एक उद्देश्य रहता था, जैसे यूएसएसआर के अंदर 5 ईयर प्लान लाया गया वैसे ही भारत के अंदर 5 ईयर प्लान लाया जाए। ठीक है, इन प्लानिंग कमीशन देयर आर 8 फुल टाइम मेंबर एंड देयर इज नो प्रोविजन फॉर द पार्ट टाइम मेंबर। प्लानिंग कमीशन हैज़ द पावर टू एलोकेट द फंड टू द डिफरेंट मिनिस्ट्रीज एंड स्टेट गवर्नमेंट। प्लानिंग कमीशन टॉप डाउन अप्रोच पर काम करती थी। प्लानिंग कमीशन के कुछ ऑब्जेक्टिव थे, जैसे कंट्री के अंदर ग्रोथ, इक्विटी, मॉडर्नाइजेशन और सेल्फ रिलायंस को अचीव करना। प्लानिंग कमीशन ने 5 ईयर प्लान बनाने शुरू किए और जिसका ऑब्जेक्टिव होता था टारगेट सेट करो और उसको अचीव करो। 5 ईयर प्लान को नेशनल डेवलपमेंट काउंसिल द्वारा फाइनल अप्रूवल मिलता था। नाउ द डिटेल डिस्कशन अबाउट द वेरियस 5 ईयर प्लान विल बी कंटिन्यूड बाई आवर टीम मेंबर। ओवर टू आसी।
Various 5-year plan. First 5-year plan was introduced during the period of 1951 to 56. This plan laid on the thrust of the economic development in India. It was presented by then Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru, and it was based on the Harrod-Domar model and emphasized on increasing the saving. It's mainly addressed the agriculture sector, and various investment allocation are made on the irrigation and dam projects. At the end of 1956, there was a 5 Indian Institution of Technology was established. There was a target growth rate was 2.1% and actual growth rate was achieved 3.6%. And then there is a second 5-year plan which was introduced during the period of 1956 to 61. This plan was planned and drafted by the MC Mahalanobis, and this plan give a emphasis on the industrialization and the public sector, emphasize on the quick structure transfer from the agriculture sector to the industrial sector. Government impose a various taxes on the import to protect the domestic industry under this plan, and there was a target growth rate of 4.5 and actual growth rate was slightly less than expected 2.7%. Then there is a third 5-year plan which was introduced during the period of 1961 to 66. This plan focused on the improvement of the agriculture sector and the production and increase the production of the wheat. And it's also introduced state has entrusted with a various responsibility for the development in the higher and the secondary education. Panchayat election was also introduced during this period, and there was a target growth rate of 5.6% and actual growth rate which was achieved is 2.4%. And then this plan is marked as a failure because of the war was done between the India and China. So this was marked as a failure plan, and in this plan devaluation of the rupees also first time take place. And then there is a fourth 5-year plan which was introduced in 1969 to 74, introduced under the leadership of the Indira Gandhi, and attempt to correction of the previous failure plan. And it was based on the Gadkil formula, a great deal on the emphasis laid on the growth with the stabilization and progress towards the self-reliance. And the government nationalized a 14 major Indian banks, and green revolution boost agriculture. And then there is a target growth rate was 5.6% and achieved was 3.3%. And next plan will be discussed by Vibha. Over to Vibha.
Fifth 5-year plan. Its duration is 1974 to 1978. This plan focused on Garibi Hatao, employment justice, agriculture production and defense. Originally the plan approached by the Subramaniam ji who proposed economic growth along with the direct attack on poverty. However, the final draft was prepared by the DP Dhar with the objective of removal of poverty, attainment of self-finance, and to step up the domestic rate of saving. Electricity Supply Act was amended in 1975. 20 points program were launched in 1975. Minimum needs program and Indian National Highway System was introduced. Overall, this plan were successful, which achieved the growth of 4.8% against the target growth of 4.4%. This plan was terminated by the Morarji Desai government in 1978. Now, rolling plan. After the termination of the fifth five-year plan, rolling plan came into effect from 1978 to 1983. Rolling plan were brought out by the Janta government under the Morarji Desai government. The focus of this plan is enlargement of agriculture, employment in agriculture sector, and to raise the income of lowest income classes through the minimum needs program. In 1980, the Congress government rejected the rolling plan and the new plan will take place. Sixth five-year plan. Its duration is 1980 to 1985 under the leadership of Indira Gandhi. The basic objective of this plan is economic liberalization by reducing the poverty and achieving the technological self-reliance. It is based on investment yojana, infrastructure changing, and trends to the growth model. Indian economy made all-round progress and most of the target fixed by the plan were achieved. The target growth is 5.2% and the achieved growth is 5.4%. Seventh five-year plan. Its duration is 1985 to 1990 under the leadership of Rajiv Gandhi. The objective of this plan is to establish the self-sufficient economy, opportunity for productive employment and upgradation of the technology. For the first time the private sector got the priority over the public sector. This plan aimed to accelerate the food production. Its growth target was 5%, but the achieved growth is 6.01%. Indian economy finally crossed the Hindu rate of growth of 3% given by the Professor Raj Krishnan. Annual plan. 8 5-year plan could not take place due to some political issues at center. So 2 annual programs were formed for year 1990 to 1991, 1991 to 1992. It is done to resolve the crisis of economic stability. During this time, liberalization, privatization, globalization, that is LPG, were introduced. 8 5-year plan. Its duration was 1992 to 1997 under the leadership of the P.V. Narasimha Roy. This plan top priority were given to the development of human resources, that is employment, education and public health. During this plan, Narasimha Rao government launched the new economic policy of India. Some main outcome of this plan were high growth in agriculture field, manufacturing sector, growth in export and import, improvement in trade and current account deficit. However, this plan was successful and got the annual growth rate of 6.8% against the target growth of 5.6%. Now over to Sujata.
9 5-year plan. Its duration was from 1997 to 2002 under the leadership of Atal Bihari Vajpayee. The main focus of this plan was growth with social justice and equality. It was launched in the 50th year of independence of India. The following were the objectives of the 9 5-year plan: control over population, generating employment opportunities, poverty alleviation, proper availability of food and water for the poor, providing basic healthcare facilities, primary education to all children in the country, empowering the socially deprived classes, increasing self-sufficiency in agriculture, attaining stability in prices. Many programs were started like Swan Jayanti Gram Swarojgar Yojana 1999, Indira Awas Yojana 2000, Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana 2000. Plan was average due to Asian crisis in 1997, cyclone in Orissa, earthquake in Gujarat and Kargil war. Fund allocation. Total fund allocation of 504.48.29 crore under the IRDP project. Agriculture 1.76 lakh crore, power 2.22 lakh crore, industry 65 crore. Transport and communication 1.66 lakh crore, social service 2.28 lakh crore. 10th 5-year plan. Its duration was from 2002 to 2007 under the leadership of Atal Bihari Vajpayee and Manmohan Singh. The following were the main aim of the 10th 5-year plan: to achieve a growth rate of 8% of the GDP, to reduce poverty by 5% by 2007, generating gainful employment and reducing the gender gap in literacy and wage rate by 50%, to make primary education accessible to all by the year 2007, to bring down the population growth between 2001 and 2011 to 16.2%, to increase the forest cover to 25% by the year 2007 and 33% by the year 2012. A 20-point program was also launched during the period of the plan. An actual growth rate of 7.8% was achieved during this period. Expenditure of 43,825 crore for the 10th 5-year. Out of the total plan outlay, 9,21,291 crores was for central government and 6,91,009 crore rupees was for states and union territories. 11th 5-year plan. Its duration was from 2007 to 2012 under the leadership of Manmohan Singh. It was prepared by C. Rangarajan. Its main theme was rapid and more inclusive growth. It achieved a growth rate of 8 against the target of 9% growth. It aimed to increase the enrollment in higher education of 18 to 23 year of age group by 2011-12. To increase the growth rate in agriculture, industry, services to 4%, 10% and 9% respectively. Reduce total fertility rate to 2.1%, provide clean drinking water for all by 2009, increase agricultural growth to 4%. During the 11th plan 2007 to 2012, India has recorded a growth of 7.9%, which is less than the target growth of 9%. Besides this, the farm sector grew at an average rate of 3.7%. The industry recorded a growth rate of 7.2%, while the service sector recorded an average growth rate of 9.7%. Fund allocation: agriculture 6.74 lakh crore, power 8.5 lakh crore, industry 1.53 lakh crore, transport 6.67 lakh crore, social services 12.95 lakh crore. 12th 5-year plan. Its duration is from 2012 to 17 under the leadership of Manmohan Singh. Its main theme is faster and more inclusive and sustainable growth. The 12th 5-year plan of the Government of India has been decided to achieve a growth rate of 9%, but the National Development Council on 27 December 2012 approved a growth rate of 8% for the 12th 5-year plan. With the deteriorating global situation under the Deputy Chairman of Planning Commission, Montek Singh Ahluwalia has said that achieving an average growth rate of 9% in the next 5 years is not possible. The final growth rate has been set to 8%. The government intends to reduce poverty by 10% during the 12th 5-year plan. The objective of the 12th 5-year plan were to create 50 million new job opportunities in non-agriculture sectors, to remove gender and social gap in school enrollment, to enhance access to higher education, to reduce malnutrition against children aged 0 to 3 years, to ensure that 50% of rural population has access to proper drinking water, to provide access to banking services to 90% of the households. Planning Commission was abolished and replaced by Niti Aayog, and Niti Aayog will be discussed by our team member in second part. Thank you for watching.